Hello all, welcome back to my channel. I know it's been really long, but due to storms in Kolkata, I did not have internet connection. But while I was researching and all, I saw that marks detection project being very useful nowadays, and I came across a tool which is built by Google known as a teachable machine, and I thought, why not share that knowledge with you? So what we'll do today is we'll make a project on marks detection using the Teachable machine, which is the tool from Google, and we'll use the P5JS editor. Now it is an online editor. You can go and write your code there. So I'll explain what exactly the Teachable machine is and how you can go forward using it. So let's dive into Teachable machine, and here I am on their home screen. This is the link. The link will be below in the description. Not to worry. So, teachable machine is basically that helps you to train models now. So we used to write a lot of Python, like a lot of Python codes, and just to train a model. But now Google has come up with something with known as teachable machine, which will automatically train the model, and it's really amazing. So we'll just click on get started. And now it will ask us which project do we want. So do we want an image project, do we want an audio project, or do we want a post project? So let me describe you the image project first. So let's go to the image and let's name this. So now what you can see here is either you can take pictures from the webcam, or you can upload the pictures. So in our case, there'll be only two, right? There'll be a mask or there'll be no mask. And what we'll do is, because we do not have a preset loaded images, we will use our webcam. So I will just go back and I will actually stop this because I have only one webcam. Okay, remove, yeah. Thank you for your patience, and let's see if it works again. Yes, there we have it. Now what we will do is how we can go about this webcam is you can actually basically if you are new, then you will have something like hold to record. So basically you'll have to hold that button for the particular time, uh, just to record it. So I decided, why not actually switch it off and just give a delay of 2 seconds, and we record it for a duration of 7 seconds, and we'll see how much samples are added. So this is the marks one. So I'll just wear my mask, and once I have worn my mask, we will record those samples. So let's go. Okay, so there we go. We see that it records 157 images. Now this is our image data set. I understand that 157 is a very less image, but let's see what it gives. Now we'll go with no mask. So I'll take out my mask and let's see what happens now. So we will give them a no mask. Okay. Let's do the same thing. Okay, I'll show you how the hold to record button works out here. So we will go for hold to record. Okay, I think okay, 164 images is what we have taken, and you can see all the images here. So once this is done and this is done, we'll click. So over here you can see how many epochs are there, if you want to increase it or not. So for those who you or those for those who do not understand epoch, is fine. I am planning to take you through that. Now that you understand the basics of Python, I'll try to take you to a journey on understanding computer vision, very basics of computer vision, and there I'll explain these whole terms. And then we click on train model. So it is saying preparing our data, and we'll have to give it a little bit of time. and you see a notification saying that do not you see a notification out here saying do not switch the tabs. So that notification is very important, because you it's better if you do not switch tabs, because that time your model is being trained. So there you go. So you can see in the output I have no marks. I'll just take my headphone off and I'll wear the mask. And there you go. So it's saying marks 100%, and then again no marks 100%. Yeah. So our model is trained well. Now, so this is teachable machine. You can explore this teachable machine. So now just to export this data that you have, right? So you click on export model, and there you go. So you have upload a shareable link. So it gives you basic three options: TensorFlow JS, TensorFlow, TensorFlow Lit. And going forward, I'll tell you. So if you click on download, then you can just copy paste the code. This is upload. This is a shareable link, and this is very useful. So once you click on upload my model, it is saying okay, I'm uploading your model. And meanwhile, we'll just hover to p5.js, and this is the website. I'll put it in the description, and then you go to the editor. So the editor, it's an online editor, and there you can go create an account. I already have an account, and this is the basic canvas setup for by default. And now what we look into is I have already created the project, so we'll go to open and the marks detection project. So here we have the project. I will link this code in the description, so there is nothing to worry about. The important thing that I wanted you guys to understand out here is, you see this now. You get an option to copy the shareable link. This is the most important thing that you guys need to have in mind, because this is the link that will be that is our data set. Our whole data set is now in this link. And once we have this link, what we'll do is we'll load the model first, and we will then start classifying the model. So we can use classify. This is something which is present in ml5, that is again in javascript. Then I did something really interesting. So what we'll do is we will just, because I am not sure if you guys understand JavaScript that well or not, I would not go into the code. I'll just show you how this programs work. So I'll just play this, and there you go. So it is checking for the time being. So it is telling me wait, I am checking. And so the drawback with JavaScript is that only that it takes a lot of time. Okay, so I'll have to, yeah, so I have no marks now. And once I put this, I will have marks. Then again, if I take it down, then I have no marks. So I'll put this code in the description below. No worries, you can go around and go crazy with the code. But I just wanted to explain you that you can upload this in the cloud model, and you can see these codes, and you can play around with these codes also. So the whole purpose was just to explain that it's very simple to use this tool. Anybody who's highly interested in computer vision and things that they want to play around with this and have a basic idea of JavaScript, they can go ahead and play with this tool. So that's from my side, guys. Thank you so much, and I look forward to seeing you in my going forward session. I'll try to explain a little bit of computer vision going forward, as now that we understand a Python at some level. And thank you so much, guys. Have a great day. Bye bye.